Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. An espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 33,049 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.